All right, ladies and gentlemen, the first thing I decided to do on this cold day is go over a redox equation with you. You already have the answer key, but I'm just going to go over what I kind of did. I don't know if I'm going to set it up any different. I don't know. I'm going to try and use different colors. Maybe that'll help you out. First things first is we separate our two half reactions. Okay? Now, I can tell you right now, something's going on with Mn. Mn is something that's going to be oxidized. The oxygen isn't. It's just an extra over here. Something's going on. It's either going to be oxidized or reduced. I don't care about that right now. I'm going to care about that in a minute. But I'm just going to follow the rules for this half reaction, okay? So this half reaction says balance everything that's not oxygen or hydrogen. So everything's balanced. 1 Mn, 1 Mn, okay? And then, oh, I told you the cat would come in. Then we have to balance oxygen using water. So I'm going to add over here, I need 4 waters. So I'm going to write 4 H2O, okay? And when I do that, now all of a sudden I have 8 hydrogens, okay? So over here, I'm going to have 8 H+, okay? So that looks pretty good, except the charges aren't right, okay? Over here, my charge on this entire side is +2. So I need this side to be +2. And so far I have -1. No, Gabby. And I have +8. Okay, so -1 + 8 is +7. Okay, so I have this +7. So what do I need to take to this +7 to make it +2? I need to add 5 electrons, 5 negatives. All right, so that bad boy is good. So we have the first half reaction done. I'm going to switch colors. I'm going to move into the other half reaction. And the other half reaction is BiO3 minus going to Bi plus 3. The only thing we have to add, okay, the only thing we have to add here is we have to add the oxygen. So we add them as water, 3 waters. Okay, so that's cool. So that means on this side we add 6H plus. Okay, so now that's all evened out. Now we have to check out the charges. Now I can tell you right here, the electrons are on this side. So the electrons are probably going to be on this side. Not probably, most likely. The cat's making me crazy. Go, go. Okay. So if the electrons are over here, if we want to know about oxidation or reduction, oil is loss. Did electrons lose? Yes. So this is oxidation. This is going to be gain, so this is reduction. Okay, you might have trouble seeing all that. So I'm going to add the right number of electrons, but what is that? So here I have 6 positives minus 1, so this is +5 over here, and over here it's +3. So I need to add 2, that would be the cats as well. Sorry guys. I'm going to add 2 electrons right here. Okay, so now we have this all set up. The only problem is our electrons don't match up. So we need to make it so they're even, okay? So that means the green formula, we're going to multiply everything in the green formula by 2, and we're going to multiply everything in the purple formula by 5, okay? And I'm going to take up extra space, okay, because that's just how it is. So it's going to be 8H2O plus 2Mn plus 2 makes 2MnO4 minus plus 16H plus 10E minus. Okay, cool. Now on the other side, the purple one, I'm going to redo this. 10E minus plus 5 times 6, holy man, 30H plus, okay. 5 times this, 5BiO3 minus, yields 5Bi plus 3 plus 15 waters. Cool. All right, so now it comes to a point where we add this all together. But there are some things that cancel out. The first things that cancel out is we have 10 electrons and 10 electrons. Okay, that's awesome. We also have a situation here where I have 8 waters on this side and 15 waters on this side. We want to make sure all the waters are on the same side. So we would subtract by 8 and subtract by 8. That way we would have all the waters over here. We would get rid of, cancel out 8 of these. So how many waters are left over now? 7. Now do we have anything else that's on both sides? Okay, Mn H plus, BI, no, nothing here. That should be a plus sign. MnO4, ooh, this H plus and H plus. Well, here we have 16 and here we have 30. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to cancel out all 16 of these and leave this, instead of this being 30, it's going to be 14 H plus. Now we write it all together, okay? So I have 14 H plus 2 Mn plus 2 plus 5 BiO3 minus makes 2 MnO4 minus plus 5 Bi plus 3 plus 7 H2O. Now, I gotta check this out. I don't know if this is right on. Okay, I don't know. So here we go. Let's take and do some math. 14 hydrogens. Over here, 7 times 2 is 14. Good. 2 MNs. Awesome. 5 BIs. 15 oxygens. Here I have 8 plus 7, 15 oxygens. Cool. We are all set with our different atoms. What about charges? Our charge here is 14 plus 2 times that plus 4 minus 5. So our total charge on this side is 13. I hope it's 13 over here because we just spent a ton of time. Here it is, -2 plus 5 times 3 is 15. Oh, it's 13. Sweet. Our charges cancel out, so this is our answer right here. Boom. Shakalaka. It's kind of hard. It took me a whole 6 minutes to talk it through, okay? You need to practice. I figure you don't really want to watch me do any others of these. We will have a quiz tomorrow. Yay! Have a great day off. Bye.